Hallo und moin! When you learn German, you will sooner or later encounter instructions in German. In this short video, I will explain the most common ones. If you watched my A1 lessons, you will know the verbs lesen and schreiben, to read and to write. So you need those two verbs to understand a lot of instructions you get when you're getting an assignment in German or any other task in your textbook, workbook or wherever. So these words are very important. Also hören, you learned that also in the A1 level, and sprechen. So here are some new verbs that you need to know. Ergänzen, ankreuzen, ausfüllen. And those two verbs are separable verbs. So you will see that I will use them in a sentence where I take the prefix and put it at the end. Verbinden, markieren, notieren, zuordnen. So here are some sentences that you need to know before you start the A2 level, because in the A2 level I will speak much more German, and you will see in workbooks there are also many tasks written in German. For example, kreuze die richtige Antwort an. So here the verb ankreuzen is just separated. An is the prefix and it is at the end. Kreuze die richtige Antwort an. Fülle das Formular aus. That's the same. The prefix from ausfüllen at the end. Verbinde die passenden Satzteile. Schreibe einen Text über dich. Schreibe einen Dialog. Schreibe 3 Sätze mit dem Verb haben. Schreibe das richtige Wort in die Lücken. Lies den Text und beantworte die Fragen. Höre zu und beantworte die Fragen. Sprich mir nach. Markiere die unbekannten Worte. Ergänze die Lücken im Text. Notiere wichtige Worte. Ordne die Bilder den richtigen Begriffen zu. And here are some phrases that you need to understand my lessons. I will also give more phrases in German now. Die Stundenplanung sieht so aus. I sometimes also say, die Unterrichtsplanung sieht so aus. Stundenplanung, Unterrichtsplanung, that's the same, it's a lesson planning. Lernziel, this is the learning objective where I tell you what your goal is in this lesson, what you should learn this lesson. Ziel is goal and lernen is to learn. Wiederholung, this is the repetition or review. Übung is exercise or practice. Die Aufgabe, that's the task or could also be an activity. Belohnung, that's the reward that you will always get at the end of the lesson. And then we also have Ausblick, der Ausblick. And this is just the outlook. So I will tell you what you're going to learn the next lesson. Du brauchst folgendes Material. You will need the following materials. And then I often say, fangen wir an. Let's get started. Jetzt kommt der Input. Now comes the input. And the words brainstorming, mind map, feedback are the same in German as in English, because we use the English words. Machen wir ein Brainstorming means let's make a brainstorming. Machen wir eine Übung, let's make an exercise. And then you will often hear zuerst. Zuerst is first, dann is then. Zuerst kommt der Input. Dann machen wir eine Übung. First comes the input and then we're going to do an exercise. Sometimes I will also say, hier kommt eine Übung. Here is an exercise. If you understand these instructions, you're ready for the A2 level. Bis zum nächsten Kurs. Tschüss!